Welcome to KOR. For over a decade, we've made it our mission to keep your operations running. KOR have partnered with leading international manufacturers to provide world-class industrial equipment and accessories to contractors across Australia and New Zealand. As the distributor of Capilotto and Schwartz industry products, we provide state-of-the-art equipment with the latest technology, supported by the highest level of service. Our wide range of high-quality Capilotto equipment has been designed for the Australian and New Zealand market. Capilotto equipment is versatile and effective at providing high-performance wet and dry industrial vacuum loading, drain cleaning, industrial cleaning, hydro excavation and dangerous goods handling. The Capilotto equipment range also includes eco-friendly water recycling models. KOR have partnered with Schwartz Industries to offer innovative, high-performance and efficient industrial, regenerative and pure vacuum sweepers. Schwartz Industries equipment has been operating in Australia and New Zealand for over 25 years and is now locally assembled at KOR facilities in Australia. KOR supply equipment mounted on Scania, Volvo, Isuzu and Hino chassis. Our partnerships with our chassis manufacturers provide a focus on quality, reliability, performance, whole-of-life support and value. At KOR, we understand that every business is unique. We offer flexible financial solutions via direct equipment purchase, trade-ins, lease or lease-to-buy arrangements. KOR maintain a fleet of leasing equipment. Leasing can be an attractive alternative to direct purchase, especially for councils, fixed-term contracts or businesses experiencing strong growth. Our pre-delivery team conduct extensive testing on equipment prior to delivery. KOR provide training at handover and offer on-site refresher training. Our unique online KOR Train program has been designed to ensure operators have the latest knowledge to operate equipment efficiently and safely. KOR is committed to supporting our customers throughout the equipment life cycle. This includes a holistic approach to after-sales service and support, and a commitment to hold parts in warehouses around Australia and New Zealand. Our customer service team can be contacted on our 1300 number to manage inquiries through our case management system. KOR operates service centres around Australia and New Zealand to provide service, repairs and parts with facilities for major repair and refurbishments. Service and repairs are conducted to original equipment manufacturer standards with a commitment to use original parts. Our engineering and service team are experts in Capilotto and Schwartz equipment and will ensure workmanship is performed to the highest standard. As part of our customer commitment, KOR guarantee that any purchase or lease of pre-owned equipment has completed all service, repairs and tests to ensure the equipment is fit for purpose. For over a decade, KOR has built a reputation of supplying world-class equipment and delivering exceptional after-sales customer service. With specialist equipment and industry knowledge, we partner with our customers to ensure your equipment is delivering value. To find out more, contact KOR today.